We're at the Paranormal Ghost Society. We thought we would finish up the finale, and I have to get this on film for YouTube viewers and the people at Viewer Site. There are words written in a burnt piece of paper that says, no, yes, I don't know, and maybe, as if it was some game. It's burnt in the middle, and Tammy pointed out that there are salt containers here. Here's one of them. The salt containers. I'm thinking we're getting heavy readings in here because I'm believing, Tammy said salt is used to keep something out. Well, also in occult terms, you use salt to keep something in. Basically, if you salt, that salt won't work. You need sea salt, I'm finding out, but sometimes they say certain entities don't like salt. And basically, what you do is you salt in tradition and suspicions, and you put the salt in here to cleanse, or you can put it in to keep something in or keep something out. There's a demonic face drawn on the wall, which makes me believe that maybe something's in this room, like maybe they did a ritual and put something in this room, which then someone might come here. Maybe other people know this area is bad, they don't get bad vibes, and somebody either salted it to keep it out or keep it in. With cults, it's the opposite. You don't want the demon to escape. You want to be able to control the demon and supposedly cash in on trading certain things. And how you keep the demon in control is you basically salt the doors, and then you can't own the demon, but you can command that demon. And I've heard a little movement, but I've also noticed it's getting very cold. I'm being surrounded by a harsh coldness right now, and the EMF is still spiking, and there is something in this room, and it knows I'm justifying it, whether it's demonic or it knows I am acknowledging it. It's here. I can tell you it's here with us. I could probably get it to spike that meter, but that's really stirring the shit. We've already done it once, so we'll be respectful, but I have showed you guys the salt, and we're running out of battery right now, so I'm going to have to shut this off. Something has drained my battery. It's gone from full to no battery, and we need to save a little film for 2 more places, which are, even though they're small, whatever's here is draining me. So, Lord Rick, Paranormal Ghost Society with Austin and Tammy.